Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Superbox remote not working or responding, battery sync and signal troubleshooting. Fix 1 is check the remote batteries. Remove the battery cover from the back of the Superbox remote, then take out the batteries and inspect them for corrosion or leakage. Install a fresh set of batteries, making sure the positive and negative ends are aligned correctly. Test the remote again to see if it responds. Second fix is restart your Superbox. Unplug the Superbox from the wall power outlet, then wait about 30 seconds. Plug the device back in and allow it to fully boot up. Try using the remote again. Third fix is repair the Bluetooth remote. Move close to the Superbox device, then open setting on the Superbox using a mouse or another control method if available. Then go to remote and accessories or Bluetooth setting, then put the remote into pairing mode. Select the remote from the list of available devices and complete pairing. Fourth fix is check for signal interference. Remove any object blocking the path between the remote and the Superbox. Move wireless device such as router, speaker or other Bluetooth devices farther away if possible. Try operating the remote from a short distance. Check whether the buttons respond normally. Fifth fix is clean stuck buttons. Inspect the remote for buttons that feel stuck or difficult to press. Use a soft cloth to clean around the button. Press each button several times to loosen any debris. Test the remote again. Thanks for watching.